Hi, today I'll be talking about how to practice the Buteyko fast track set. This is one of the breathing set options in the Buteyko for Beginners program. This consists of taking short breath holds throughout the day, and so it's useful if you're very busy and don't have time to commit to a 10-minute Buteyko set. Fast track is probably the best option for you if you've discovered that you have a low control pause and you want to try and improve that, but you're not suffering from any breathing problems. You'll need to practice 100 short breath holds throughout the day. Before the short breath hold. To work out how long your breath hold should be, you'll need to measure your morning control pause. That's a control pause taken just after you wake up. See how to measure your control pause. Halve this value to get the number of seconds for all your short breath holds during the day. So if your morning control pause was 16 seconds, every one of your breath holds today will be around 8 seconds. How to do the short breath hold. Firstly, straighten up into a comfortable, upright, relaxed posture. Move your shoulders back and down. Then take a normal breath in and out and hold your breath for your short breath hold time. Let me show you a short breath hold of 8 seconds. Okay, as you can see, it wouldn't be obvious to anyone else that you're doing anything. You can measure this using a timer or a watch, or you can just count to yourself. 1, 2, 3, or backwards. 8, 7. You shouldn't have any feelings of discomfort while you're holding your breath or immediately afterwards. There's no need to pinch your nose as you do with the control pause, but if you're in a situation when you can, it's probably better to do so. After the breath hold. After the short breath hold, breathe 2 or 3 breaths through your nose quietly and gently while taking a moment to check your body's relaxed again. And then leave around 2 minutes before practicing another short breath hold. Checking your practice. When you first start this exercise, you may find it helpful to check that you're not breathing too much after the breath hold. You can do this by placing your finger about 1 centimetre or half an inch below your nose. You should feel a gentle, soft, warm stream of air on your finger. If you feel a jerky or fast stream of air, then you're breathing too much. Either reduce the time of your short breath hold or allow yourself to relax more during the breath hold. Where and when? You can practice short breath holds almost anywhere, while working at your desk, walking, cooking, at the cinema, watching TV, or even in bed. When not to practice? Stop. Don't practice when you need to keep your concentration on what you're doing, such as driving your car or operating machinery. Common mistakes. There's not much you can do wrong here, just be aware of 2 things. Keep the breath hold short so that you can easily control your breathing afterwards, and secondly, keep relaxed. Enjoy a mini relaxation each time you do your short breath hold. Practicing with willpower and tension can improve your control pause, but that's not Buteyko, and it'll result in a falsely high control pause. When you have some free time, you might like to practice the mild air hunger, easy, or step set, and they're likely to add an extra dimension and understanding to your Buteyko practice. Take care. Bye now.